never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right.
Today I'm gonna be showing you my special talent. You know, people can juggle or do some shit on the computer. You know that shit. But I have none of that. So today I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube. Yes, I can solve a Rubik's Cube. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna solve the 2x2 and the 3x3 today. And I started liking Rubik's Cubes in grade 5. I don't know why. I just watched a lot of YouTube videos and I wanted to get it. So here I am now with these Rubik's Cubes and I know how to solve them. So let's start off with the 2x2. Okay. Ready. Let's put a timer. I don't usually time myself, but like, let's just do a timer for now. So 3, 2, 1, go. Shit. That's not how it works. Damn it, not a Boom. And that's the 2x2 done. Okay, here's the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and this is the more known Rubik's Cube, so people know it more. So let's get right into the mixing. Okay, as you see, we have our mixed Rubik's Cube, and I will be timing this. This Rubik's Cube, it will probably take longer to solve it than the 2x2 because, you know, there's more cubes and there's more, I don't know, strategies you have to do, input it. So let's just look around. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
If you don't know about Deco right now, Rubik, check out the. If you don't know about Deco right now, Rubik, check out the.
Boom. And here is the song 3x3. And thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Peace.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Rubik. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Rubik.